In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your business location on TikTok. This is a fantastic way to increase visibility and connect with your audience locally. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, we'll need to get you logged into your TikTok account. Simply head over to the TikTok website and look for the login section. Here you have various options to log in, but for a smooth and quick process, I suggest clicking on Continue with Google. This option is straightforward and efficient, especially if you've already got your Google account ready to go. Once you've clicked on Continue with Google, a window will pop up asking you to choose your Google account. Select the account you'd like to use for TikTok. Make sure this is the account you feel most comfortable using in a business context. After selecting your account, you'll be prompted to give TikTok some permissions. Don't worry, these are standard permissions that allow TikTok to access your Google account information for login purposes. Once you've reviewed them, go ahead and click on Continue. This step ensures that your login process is secure and that you're fully aware of the information being shared between Google and TikTok. With the permissions granted, you'll find yourself back on TikTok, but this time you're logged in. It's time to get down to business and upload your content. Look for the upload button on the site. This is your gateway to sharing content with the world. Clicking on upload will bring you to the TikTok studio, a creative space where you'll select the video you wish to upload. Here you get to choose the masterpiece that will carry your business location into the feeds of your audience. If you haven't already prepared your video, now's a good time to ensure it's ready to go and showcases your business in the best light. Now for the crucial part, adding your business location. In the TikTok studio, alongside various options and settings for your upload, you'll find the location option. This feature is invaluable. It lets you tag your business location directly on the video. By doing so, you're not just telling your story, you're grounding it in a place, making it easier for local audiences to find and connect with you. Go ahead and type in your business location in the location field. TikTok uses a comprehensive database, so as long as your business is on the map, it should pop up as you type. Select your location, and voila. Your video is now tied to your business spot in the real world. Finally, with your video prepped, your business location added, all you need to do now is click upload. This action sends your video off into the TikTok universe, complete with your business location tagged for all to see, and there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide on how to add your business location on TikTok. This process won't just increase your visibility, it also adds a layer of authenticity and locality that's hard to replicate in other ways. Your audience can now find not just your digital content but your physical location as well. Remember, the key to success on TikTok is not just about uploading content, it's about creating engaging, authentic content that resonates with your audience. By adding your location, you're inviting your local community to engage with your business in a meaningful way. So set forth, get creative, and make the most of your business's presence on TikTok. The platform offers a unique opportunity to connect, share, and grow your audience with every video you upload. And now with your business location added, each upload also serves as a beacon, drawing your local community closer one TikTok at a time. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide helps you enhance your business's visibility on TikTok and connects you with your community in new and exciting ways. Happy TikToking!